Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Umaya Veerasinghe, um, and my ID number is 22782. I'm so excited to present our latest project, the VBC Mobile Shop Management System. This system is designed to address the shortcoming in the existing POS system at VBC Mobile, providing comprehensive solution for top-selling item tracking, phone repair management, stock control, and overall record keeping of shop activities. The VBC Mobile Shop Management System is a standalone solution developed to enhance the operational efficiency of VBC Mobile Shop. While the existing FOS system served its purpose, our system steps in to address specific defects and provide advanced features that align with the customer needs. We have developed a standalone solution using Visual Studio, powered by C Sharp for front end and also C Sharp and MySQL for backend. And we use MySQL Server as the server. This comprehensive system aims to enhance efficiency, streamline operations, and provide real-time insight into shop activities. Thank you. Over to Kalhar.
Thank you, Maya. My name is Kalhara. My index number is 23177. This is our BBC mobile management system login page. Our system is only admin access system. If we don't give the right username and password, we can't login into the system. But we can login into the system when we use the correct username is VBC mobile and the password is VBC mobile. So that we can protect the system from unauthorized access. Let's going to talk about VBC mobile management system add new item interface. It have a main fill tabs in each of product. There are item, brand name, model number, quantity, and add note and price. Let's do a small example. We want to add a new phone. Then first go to item tab and select the new phone. Second, we go to brand name tab and select the Sony brand. And go to model name tab and enter the model name of Xperia. And select the model number ZX3 and enter the quantity. Assume that let's get 2 quantity. And enter the small note about product example for import Singapore. Global version. Four GB RAM. And 64 GB ROM. And finally enter the price of the product. Next, we click the save button it is automatically display successful message. We want to reset the product details. We can select the reset button. Add new item, all about the details stored in VBC database. Add item table. Thank you. Continue over to Sasini.
Thank you, Kalhara. I'm HSBKD Silva. My index number is 22806. Now I explain about how to work our application when we click the stop button. We can see this interface when we click the stop button. We called the data grid view. After we added new item details and save, it stored add item table in VBC based database. Now in here we can see its data grid view. When we click the one record in the table, we can see its all the details from below. We can see the information about only the added in previous process. As an example, we click MID number 4 record, then display its item details below. Now, if we want to search a item, it have search bar. By click small arrow, we can see two categories as item and brand. We can see two categories. So we can search item wise or branded wise. Let's see. We click item. Now we type item name and search it. Now display about. We search item details. As an example, we click item and item name as a headset. Then we can display headset item details from below. Finally, we want to become a previous table. We remove the name in search bar and click search button. So we can see default table in here. Thank you. Over to Chamidu.
Thank you, Sasini. I am HMCS Senabola, index 22792. Let's look at the add to repair icon and what it does. When the add to repair is clicked, we can enter the details related to the repair of the customer's device. After we click the add to repair item, you will go to this interface. There are sub icons such as brand, model name, describe issue, customer name, customer phone number, and customer address and price. Let's imagine that the customer bought the Vivo device to replace. We can put the brand Vivo, brand name, and we think model name is S, and model number is 1907. We can take example, describe the issue, sub icon. We will think some replace the back cam. Next one is customer name. We will think Mr. Dinesh. Next one is customer mobile number 075 05 10005. Next one is address. We get Moratour. At the end, we have the put the amount of the repair in the device, like 10,000. After we can click the save button and enter the information to database. We can verify whether we have gone the database correctly. this pop-up message. From this pop-up message, after the saving, it goes the table called repair and in the database VBC base. And while filling this interface, if you fill less, it will be not be saved, and it an error will occur. That is error. Also, it something goes wrong, we can clear the all tabs using the reset button. So that's about this interface. Thank you. And over to ACJD Silva.
Thank you, Chamidu. I am ACJD Silva. My index number is 22795. I am explained about repair center button in our application. It's same as a stock data grid view. Let's see after we add repair details. It is stored in repair table in VBC based database, and we can preview repair data grid view in here. So we click the one recording table, we can see it's all the details from below. As example, when we click the bit number 6, then all the repair details below. In here, we can see status column, it main port, because it will display current status of the order. Its mean order is completed or order in processing status. We can see status bar and arrow button below the it have completed option and processing option. When we click completed option, then ask, are you sure? Then it click OK. It change in status column and change current status. Now we want to complete order. We click complete order button, but can't complete order when current status in processing. Then we can see a message to remind order should be completed before complete the order. After current status will be completed, we can complete order, then ask, are you sure? By using message and click OK button. In here, we can see a search bar. When we click small side arrow, we can search repair under 2 categories, like customer or phone number. Then we can search what we need. As example, we can select customer name and we can type Kavisha. And we click search icon. Finally, we want default table. We remove the name in search bar and search it. So we can see default table. Thank you. Over to Raviranga.
Thank you, Jadura. I am RMP Raviranga. My index number is 21816. I'm going to explain about purchasing in this app. First, we want to enter our name. Contact number, and address. Then we want to select an item. Let's assume an our bank. But we can add here only things that have been added to the database. Brand, module, and module number work same as item menu bar. Then finally, we want to add the ME number of a selected item. The price is depending on the top-up message showing us as success. Uh, when someone did this process, database will automatically update. I hand over to Kavisha continue his presentation.
Sorry, made a mistake. I'm a Charuga. My index number is 22798. Now I'm going to explain about sold item interface. Firstly, when we click about the sold item interface, we can have a interface about, we can see that. First of all, we go into the set of time period. We can see the 2 time periods limits. We can in low of the interface. We can select the 2 date periods. Example, we can get December 1st of December to 7th of December. When you go into another step, in this time period, we can see we can see the customers which are business deal with us, customers, phone, address of this item, brand, model number, ME number, price, all the things, and which of date the customers are deal with us, all the things all the details we can gather in this database. As well as the special thing is total selling according to mentioned period. We can see 2,60,000 price we deal with in these 7 days. As well as we can only take about only 1 day. Example, we can take 7th of December in both date. We can take on 7th of December. In 24 hours, we can assume that many few customers are deal with us in 24 hours, as well as total selling according to mentioned period is we can get 1,43,000. As soon as we can go to the search bar, we can get 2 ways, customer name and phone number. In these 2 ways, we can take any customer you can choice. We can enter the customer name. Example, we can take Devinder. We can take Devinder. This interface we can see now the Devinder is what kind of deal they deal with us, only what day, and all the things we can get according to this database. As well as we can back to the first interface, first level, using a click of search button. All the things are done. Sold item is now enough. Next item was done by our brother Kavish. Thank you.
Thank you, Charuka. I am Kavishim Manjayakodi. My student ID 20801. Clicking the complete repair, it will come this interface. This is a phone that customer sent for repair, and after the repair, the data is saved when he takes it away. It has data grid view, a data filter option, and a label that shown the income for selected period. A total selling according to the mentioned period means that in this combo box, 2 options are shown. If you give all transaction will be shown without considering the filter date. When the period is clicked, the transaction of the selected period will be displayed. If there are no such transaction, it will be shown like this. Our database is VB base. Data grid view data from the uh, data grid view gets the data from the table called completed ref. Thank you. Over to Sandruan.
Thank you, Kavisha. And I am WBS Sandruan. My study is 22807. And I'm going to explain about this report page. When we click on reports, it will appear in this page. And we can see data over here. We can see data grid two data grid views and two data filters over here. When we select on a period, assume that we click on 1st of December to 7th of December, and we consider about all the sellings, and then we click on go. It show the all sold items from here. It means that we are consider about the first row. It's showing as quantity 3. It means within this selected period, the shop has sold Sony Xperia XZ, 3 Sony Xperia XZ devices. And then if we are, as example, if we are clicked on December 5th to December 7, and the same, it's remains same. It means these sellings are happened within this period. If we consider about today, then we filter it all, and it showing on today sellings. And this have in here we have a small data set. Assume that we have a large data set, and the owners need to get clear details about how many phones are sold in the whole month, and he selects in here a new phone in here, and then he clicked whole month. Assume that 31 December 1st to 31 of December, and category is new phone, and then click on go. It shows the how many phones are sold in this selected month. Same as the preparing grid view. Here we have select December 1 to December 7. It's showing all the repairs by done by the shop. This data will come from our VBC base. From here, top selling data is we fetch by sold date sold table, and this repairing details we fetch by completed repairing. So that's all about these reports. Can now hand over to Devinder. Thank you.
Thank you, Sandruvan. I am JMTP Devinder. My student number is 22804. I am going to explain about delete record operation. When we click on delete record button, the whole system is freezing, which cannot do anything now. Solve the we need add password over here. The password is VBC mobile. We click on verify button, and this interface will appear. When we click on this data guide, this all data are fetched from at item table, which is shortly in VBC base. It is our database, and here we search data from simply type here item or model number. To delete a record, we need to click on the data that we want to delete.
As an example, I need delete tempered class Vivo S1 permanently in our database. What we can do in here, we search item tempered. When we click on that row, a pop-up message comes and confirming about deleting. If click on cancel and the pop-up message come and you cancel the operation, click on OK, the data will permanently delete in our database. This is all about deleting, and now hand over to Umaya to conclusion. Thank you.
Thank you, Devinder. This is our project. The VBC Mobile Shop Management System represents the significant leap forward in optimization of operations. We believe that our system will empower VBC Mobile to stay ahead in a competitive market by providing a reliable, efficient, and user-friendly solution. Thank you for your attention, and we look forward to any questions or feedback you may have. Thank you.